I have eaten breakfast. I have finished my homework. I have read this book. I have written a letter. I have watched that movie. I have played football today. I have cleaned my room. I have washed my hands. I have opened the window. I have closed the door. I have visited the park. I have traveled to Kabul. I have learned English words. I have studied my lesson. I have listened to music. I have sung a song. I have cooked dinner. I have drunk milk. I have eaten rice. I have met my friend. You have played cricket. You have read the newspaper. You have written notes. You have studied hard. You have cleaned the house. You have called your brother. You have visited your uncle. You have learned a new word. You have bought new clothes. You have traveled by bus. You have eaten fruit. You have drunk water. You have opened the book. You have seen that film. You have played games. You have drawn a picture. You have painted the wall. You have fixed your phone. You have visited the market. You have watched cartoons. He has finished his homework. He has eaten his lunch. He has read this story. He has written a story. He has gone to school. He has studied his lesson. He has sung a song. He has drawn a picture. He has cleaned the board. He has washed his clothes. He has played football. He has opened the shop. He has closed the shop. He has listened to music. He has drunk tea. He has bought a book. He has traveled to India. He has visited the zoo. He has fixed the car. He has painted the door. She has cooked food. She has eaten an apple. She has drunk coffee. She has read a novel. She has written a poem. She has sung a song. She has played the piano. She has drawn flowers. She has cleaned the kitchen. She has washed her hair. She has opened the window. She has closed the door. She has bought new shoes. She has painted the wall. She has studied English. She has learned the lesson. She has traveled by car. She has visited her aunt. She has cooked dinner. She has watched TV. We have finished our work. We have eaten lunch. We have studied English. We have written letters. We have sung songs. We have drawn pictures. We have washed our hands. We have cleaned the class. We have traveled by train. We have visited the park. They have played football. They have eaten mangoes. They have studied math. They have written stories. They have sung together. They have drawn birds. They have painted houses. They have visited the mosque. They have traveled by plane. They have cleaned their room.